Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to set up YouTube TV on your streaming TV or streaming device. In this example, I'm going to be using a Roku, but it's generally going to be a similar process whether you have Roku, Google TV, Amazon Fire TV, or Apple TV. So what we're going to do first is we need to get the YouTube TV app. You can see I just have the normal YouTube app. This isn't the app that we're looking for. We need the YouTube TV app. So what I'm going to do is go down to search, and wherever the apps or streaming channels or search area is on your respective streaming device, that's what you want to look for. And in the search, we're going to type in YouTube TV. So once I've searched for YouTube TV and selected the app, if I don't already have it downloaded and installed onto my streaming device, I can do so from its apps page. So on Roku, I can do that by clicking OK on where it says Add Channel. So then it's going to download and install the YouTube TV app onto my Roku device. So the YouTube TV app has now been added. I can open it here from the apps page, or I can head on back to my home page. And from the home page, it should show up at the end of the line. And there it is. It says YouTube TV. So I'm going to move this to the front of the line on Roku. I do that by clicking the little star asterisk on my remote and then clicking Move Channel. And then I'm going to drop this right at the front of the line, set it right there. And now I'm going to click OK on the YouTube TV app to launch it for the first time. This takes us over to the sign up page. If you're not already signed up and you want to do a free trial, you can set that up right here. Otherwise, if you're already a YouTube TV member, we can go to the upper right-hand corner. It says member sign in and click OK on that. This gives us a couple of different options. I'm going to show you option one, which is going to tv.youtube.com/start. I'm going to enter in this code, and then I'm going to sign in with my Google account to confirm to link up YouTube TV with my Roku. So going to tv.youtube.com/start, and then from this page, I need to enter in that code. And once I have that code entered in, I can click continue. And I need to select my Google account that I had used to sign up and create my YouTube TV account with. So I'm going to click that right here. And I'm going to allow YouTube TV to get access to my Google account. So I'm going to click where it says allow. Heading back over to my Roku player, you might also get this introductory page. Essentially, it's just saying you can refer a friend to get some money off of your bill. They can get some money off of their bill. But once I click OK on that, it takes me to the home page of my YouTube TV. And at this point, I can go over to the live tab and see everything that's going on in my live TV area and check out what's going on all these different channels. And once you find something that you want to start watching, clicking OK on the channel, and you can join live to join that channel that is in process, and you can start watching live TV at that point in time. So I hope this video was helpful going over how you can set up YouTube TV on your streaming TV or streaming device. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.